Shepherd to His Love by Christopher Marlowe.
The Nymphs Replied to Shepherd by Sir Walter Raleigh.
Come live with me, and be my life, and we will all be precious things. That hills and valleys, dales and fields, woods are steeping out in yields.
If all the world and love were young, and truth in every shepherd's song, these sweet pleasures might be me, to live with me and be thy love.
And we will sit upon the rocks, seeing the shepherds feed their flocks. By shallow rivers those flows, melodious birds sing nightly.
And drives the flocks from field to fold, when rivers rage and rocks grow cold, and Philomel becomes dumb, the rest complains of cares to come.
And I will make the beds of roses, and 1,000 fragrant roses, a cup of flowers and a kirtle, embroidered all with his
Flowers betray their wonder fields, to wayward winds every common leaves. A honey tongue, a heart of gold, is fancy spring, what summer is fall.
A gown made of the finest wool, which from our pretty lambs we grew. Fair like sleepers poured up gold, and with bottles of the deepest blue.
They gowns, they shoes, they beds of roses, they caps, they kirtle and they gooses. Soon break, soon wither, soon forgotten, folly ripe, in reason rotten.
A belt of straw and ivy buds, with coral tabs and amber studs. And if this precious lady were, come live with me.
Their belt of straw and ivy buds, the coral caps and amber studs, oh blessed me no means can meet, to come to thee and be thy love.
The shepherd's wains shall dance and sing, for thy delight each rain morning. And if this delight thy mind may move, then live with me and be my love.
But goodness lasts and love so great, had joys no day, nor age no need. And these delights my mind might move, to live with thee and be thy love.
By Christopher Marlowe.
The Nymphs Replied to Shepherd by Sir Walter Raleigh.